Xiaomi wants to break the Apple ecosystem. Its CEO Lei Jun just released a video where he shows how Xiaomi devices could interact with Apple devices without any barriers. I think one of the elements that usually stop people using an iPhone from trying some other devices from different brands is the ecosystem, as they are used to being able to easily send files to the iPhone, to the shared clipboard, and many other things more. And at the moment, there are not many Android manufacturers that are able to have this level of interaction. So it looks like that's the trend, as Oppo has also recently released an app so that you can send files from Oppo to iPhone in a much simpler way. It looks like Xiaomi wants to achieve the same thing, as in the video you can see how the file sharing menu could immediately bring up iPhones, Macs or iPads so that with a single tap you can do the sending of these documents. Apparently, in the target device, you should install an application, so it will not be completely simple as if it were detected in AirDrop, but simply by installing an application, you could make this transfer more easily. Similarly, the video shows how they can use the Xiaomi device directly from Mac, and you could even control this device, so it's not just a mirroring projection. Another thing that Xiaomi is working on is making Keynote and possibly also Numbers or Pages files compatible, which are the Office applications that Apple has designed for Mac. So if you have a presentation designed in Keynote that you made on your Mac, now you can transfer it to your Xiaomi, and you will also be able to open it directly on your Xiaomi phone without the need to be looking for any other application compatible with this file. So, as I say, it seems that this will be the trend in order to try to attract more users to try Xiaomi devices and not be locked into the iPhone and the Apple ecosystem.